Hi, I'm Samuel, and today we're doing Hot Wheels today. Let's get on to it. We will be doing a tournament of 20 Hot Wheels. We're doing Smash Racing. If you don't know what that is, we send a car down a track and it will stay there, or it could fall off. But then if it stays on, we do another car down, then it will smash the back of it. For an example, this car goes down and the next car goes after him like that. Pretty simple, right? Now we build the track. These are the contestants. Place your vote, which one you want. These are the survivors.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
If you pick these two cards, then congratulations. They're the last two left. What's going on here? I'm trying to see who won. Who's further away. From the track? Yep. If you're further away, does that mean you win? Nope, that means you lose. Okay. Does it have to be at the back, too? Yep. Like the very back? Yep. So this guy's closer. And if you guys got him, congrats to you. Leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your season. Bye.